chocolate drink?
You want it ice?
Yep. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be a travel vlog. Don't copyright YouTube, please, because we have a digital screen playing music. And on this Honda, we're gonna go to Amaya State General Trias today. As I got the idea to start a travel vlog because my mother's about to put some pancit malabon in the trunk. Literally, I saw a black Ford Mustang 5.0 liter engine GT. That's why this is the reason I started this travel vlog. As you can see, it's holy. Ay, kalabaw ng putik.
Ay, kalabaw ng putik.
This is what I see. The clouds, bro. At least the nature isn't flashbanging because it's like a bit brighter than what's shown on the camera. Yes, this is not another Suzuki vlog. It's back in the Honda. You know what I always use. You know, it's back to school season now, so still having a bit of hard time. Holy, how fast are 60, almost 70 kilometers an hour. Yes. Oh, there's a tree.
Play meeting.
Ako din ang ginawa. Ayun, din pala yung pamama. Baba. Yung compartment.
That's my milk tea.
Ay, oo nga pala, sorry.
Holy!
I'll wipe it na lang. Mama, pahing tissue.
Red, white.
Tissue tayo.
Chismis.
Sorry, baby, I forgot. I thought it was fine.
Papa got carried away.
You forgot it's not the 26th.
It's not the 26th.
Ito na, ni-wipe na ni Papa.
It's not the 26th.
Eh, kasi may bagong drink ka na. Inumin mo pa ba to? Uubusin ko na.
You can have it pala.
Sorry na.
It's not the 26th.
Yeah. Ay, you focus on driving!
Okay, sorry. I just miss you kasi. You're so cute.
Applying. Close up on the plane.
Mag-eyeglasses ka.
Yeah. You guys, for this whole ride, I'm gonna wear eyeglasses. I don't want to be blind. Where'd that come from? Okay, please.
Mag-perfect banda na lang.
Yung chicken fry.
Gawa tayo.
Eh di dalawang anim.
Have eyeglasses on.
Bundle na 6 chicken.
So, 8 na.
Hindi, dalawang 6 po para friend.
Holy!
Tignan na.
So,
Or, kasi kasama na pa yung dinner natin.
I thought it was a good idea to hold the underbase Hilux.
Nainom ko, nakalimutan. Sorry na.
It's the 26th.
I thought yesterday. What? Let's just try this thing.
Sarap ng milk yan.
Sarap diba? Kahit kinabukasan, hindi nag-iiba yung quality.
Yeah.
And make pag-chat time.
Turn POV. Just exited Tanza. Yes, I live in Tanza, Cavite. Don't confuse it with Tanzania. So I live in the Philippines. Oh my look! Well, to anyone who got their license like showing this vlog. Well, that's usually my travel vlogs because it's like slightly friendly vehicles. And I mean in this vehicle, the illegal chicken thing. What the heck? Oh, holy! Where's your shit? What the heck?
Bago dyan.
Sa'yo. Gusto ko yung amoy dun, mga nag-iyosi. Pahawi. Sabayo ang pahawi.
Kita ko lang ngayon no, Facebook. Ang sabang ngayon may round girls na.
Ano ba?
May round girls. Ang tawag ng ano, alam mo naman ang mga manyata eh.
Pang-ata.
Guys, now every day on my feed, it's usually I keep on seeing this stupid Verity Minecraft Bob edit, like what? Pops on my feed. It used to, and now it's a filter. It just used to be a stupid cookie filter. Now why are they turning a simple mod into the heck? Alexa! Oh, and there's Alexis and a Mitsubishi SX. That's same. Cool. 2 cars singing in one video. That's what the heck? Who?
Yung ano?
Who
Sa kanal.
Ew. Who's that?
Brand name.
Grande lang.
Are you serious?
Bakit?
Brand na.
Apa?
Nalagdagan ko naman.
Eh, nagastos ka pa.
Ayun naman.
Apa?
Kulang at kulang din.
Oh, Mazda. Holy. Papa. I was casually right now I'm still in my vlog, but I suddenly saw a Hyundai Accent with a ugly front grille. I think other Hyundai Accents have it. Like, ew.
Oh, you travel vlog the drive-through Starbucks.
Huh? Cut?
No, you're gonna vlog drive-through. Oy, sako.
Toyota.
What Toyota? I'm guessing it's a GR86 or a BRZ. Or
Hindi naman nakikita yung road, oh.
Yeah.
You look, tignan mo kung mahihina yung mga nanonood sa'yo dyan.
because I can't hold a freaking tripod stand right now. Cut.
Hi. Yes, please.
Wait, say hi to the camera.
Mode of payment natin sir.
Cash po yung
Anyways.
Hello po.
Anyways, you're back.
Inumin mo yung sa'yo na.
Holy, it's so loud.
How about yours, ah?
That's yummy.
Ano po yung in-order mo?
May chocolate. Lagi naman yun. Yung paborito ko dyan. Hindi naman ako diet eh. Kaya
Ay, sa akin may note.
sabi yun ah.
Sa'yo na sticker lang. Hi lang. Hi. Sa akin may
Okay lang, nice naman yung slip ko eh.
Buksan ka na? Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ikaw, thank you sa'yo. Thank you kay mama.
Thank you,
Cheesy
Mama.
naman yung bibili rin natin. Ano gagawin ko to? At my mama is working hard. But sometimes stuck. Ay, isa ka ba? Yours, you gonna drink again?
Wonder what's lunch.
Can you hold it? Yes, hold mo itong drink mo.
Wonder what our lunch will be.
tayo masyadong late uuwi.
Opo, mga 7 mag-dinner.
Kasi
Tapos uwi na.
hour. How was it?
Sana all.
Thank you for all the support, guys. Remember to subscribe. Please like and subscribe. We'll be
These
notifications.
days lang siya.
With all this content, no post. Have a progress of a radar truck. It's a CBS radar truck. To making it tomorrow. Oh, hands. Hands are crazy, guys.
Babayin pa tong...
Ay, mga gamit.
Ano yung gamit?
Hanggang
Kasi nalam din na kamay.
What I watch lunch.
wala naman siya kumain sa kanya. I wonder what's lunch.
Kahit na in-spoil na ni Mama, you forgot it na.
Okay.
Dramatic anthem.
Ayun.
It's too cold. It's too cold now. It's not.
Wait lang. Wait lang. And no. Sorry. Kahit sa side. Wait lang kayo.
Oh, come on. My hands are hurting. Just saying lang naman sila, Mama. Perfect. Perfect fit.
That's a photo po, ha?
Yeah. It's in the front seat.
Oh, matama may break.
Oh, yes. This is my phone on my lap, guys.
Hindi lang ako nagkamali.
Hindi ka na dito.
Yun nga lang pala yung one way dati. Kaya...
Hold. Oh no, we forgot my watch.
No, it's okay. You're not gonna wear a watch kasi we're gonna go to Pahao.
Yeah. Mama, is it by in the afternoon we're gonna go to the playground sa Amaya Escapes?
Let's see po if it's not this or that.
Training.
But sa akin, 7 p.m. dinner time na po.
Okay.
Then we need to go home kasi you have school
Okay.
after dinner po, ha?
Okay.
So, I'm just saying that, so yung playground until 6:30 p.m. lang po, ha?
Okay.
Or 6:45 na. Okay po?
Okay.
Kaninang umaga po, makulimlim. Tapos ang lakas ng ulan.
Parang ang linis yung kotse.
Confused.
Apa,
Ew.
did you get into an even deeper sleep while the rain was?
Yeah.
Kasi it was too relaxing.
Diba I woke up na at around ano eh. Parang I woke up at around 5 eh.
Yeah.
Tapos naiihi si Papa Kasan to sleepy to stand up. I sleep again.
You had to pigil your
Yeah. Unfortunately. But Papa's really sleeping.
At least today we can all be together naman.
Yes.
At Amaya. Kasi, diba the last time we went there, me and Mama lang.
I went there naman. Pero I went to a race.
Yan, wala silang nakikita sa camera. Nakapost ba yan?
The numbers are switching.
Ito kasi
doing siren for now because there's a police car.
Ba't yun o? Itim na lahat ng gulong.
So,
Ito pa yan.
or baka next.
Ito.
Ayun ano siguro yun.
Fun because I don't want any of you to see the police car. And like impersonate the officials in the Philippines. Oh. There's one day I like when we were going to school. I think that was like last week. Yeah, I mean this week. I saw a car which had the red license plate and was red. It was white and red. So it could be a official's vehicle or a undercover police car. Oh mom, my voice there. My voice is just acting tired to heck. But I'm not tired at all. It's not ever like in the first set, like the first 15 seconds of my video. I'm already like 2 seconds of it means it's late in the video. Like the second video, you know.
Hindi ko hindi na-resturan ng polis. Merong isang lubusan pa dito.
I wonder what is that.
Dito. Sa ulo.
What happened?
May isang daanan and there might be another way there.
Oh,
Moving here. Because I'm not familiar with
both.
the place. I only know yung dinaanan natin na madali rin pala tayo makakapunta sa Dapilan gawa ng siyempre yan.
Malak. Kaso nga lang yun.
Too large structure.
Oh, yun talaga yung problema doon.
Anyone trips on that structure that could. Holy. Hands literally have to take turns. Holding the camera. I used to actually hold my phone with my left hand. I'm used to using my left hand for writing. Yes, I'm left-handed. So I'm always using my right hand to like hold things.
Yung orange ako yung kinokay.
Yung fish, ano okay din? Yung fish,
Oo, fish cake tsaka yung
tokboki. Hindi ko lang gusto yung sauce, pero gusto ko yung consistency ng tokboki, hindi matigas. Na to, pag sinipsip ko, pwedeng matunaw.
Ako gusto ko ito.
Yung sauce kasi parang feeling ko pang fishball.
Lagyan lang ng konting samdal.
So, talaga yung mapula.
Feeling ko kaya umano yung chan ko kung yung konting ang cheese. Tapos milk.
Bago ka lang.
Eh di ba nung umaga po nag-pong credit kasi ako mabigat sa
The camera. Oh, holy!
Hindi yung turn to that. Hindi ka gumawa ng
Jeez! People. Are you serious? And. Yay! Can I have? Can I have?
Ay, ikaw, ano kakain mo? Hindi ko alam. Basta lunch.
Eh, na merong mag-share 8 pieces.
Yun nga po, kaso kulang sa atin yan. Tayo pa. Dinner. Kaya naisip ko yung 6 that times 2.
Then what else?
Ikaw, you can what?
Chicken and
What else?
what?
Chicken with rice ka ba?
And what?
Chicken with rice. 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 Chicken with
Sa 6 pieces.
Anong ilalunch mo? Burger, nuggets, and fries?
Yeah.
Okay. Dalawa pong 6 pieces na McShare. Lalab.
Hi po, good morning. Welcome to Pangmarong Drive-Thru.
Good morning po. Ma'am, ano pong ayun po yung Chicken McDo McShare box.
6 piece po.
Opo, dalawang ganon.
Ano pa po?
Tsaka, wait lang po Ano pa?
Nuggets, burger, fries daw po.
Ha?
Nuggets, burger, fries.
Isa po, doon ka nga to isa pong 6 pieces na chicken McNuggets po.
caramel between Josephine. Ano pa po?
Ma'am, medium, regular lang po. Tapos yung drinks po, iced tea.
Sorry, ano po yung meal?
6 pieces McNuggets po.
Regular lang po yung drink.
Regular lang, yeah, iced tea.
Tapos medium po yung fries.
Medium, hindi po, regular lang din yung fries.
Ano pa po?
Tsaka isa pong cheeseburger.
Alakart.
Cheeseburger,
Bumili
ano
ko
ka
na.
ng meal?
Sige po.
Meal po, medium.
Okay.
Drinks po, iced tea.
Ano pa po?
Yun lang po.
Cash payment.
Card payment po.
Already na lang po ng card natin doon.
Okay, thank you.
What in the
Irita ako sa ganun.
What in the SRV Dominator one is
Kahit
wrong?
gusto mo maawa, nakakairita eh.
Yeah, that's true, right, Papa?
Gusto ko lang yung fries. Gusto ko lang yung fries.
Like, what in the Storm Research Vehicle Dominator one is wrong with them?
You try to understand them. They are curious kasi and their parents are busy working so they were not guided properly.
Sinabi ko nang wala eh. Ang bibigay sa inyo yung credit card. Nahirap din naman kami ng bata pero hindi naman ako nag-gasal.
I'm guessing that kid literally sumbong to bros literal ate, I'm guessing. Right, Papa? Oh, they got another victim. They got another victim. They got another one. They got another one. Holy. Holy
Kulit
dump.
nung sa story ko, nakalabas yung mata.
Kaya nga,
Ayun
so,
yung thumbnail.
Like,
puro nakasum yung
like they got another victim. My lord. I think the expander was the first one. Or else.
Kaya tawa ako kagabi ka na
Right. Stretch it. Ayaw. Ay, ipawol.
Food trip ka today. Food trip ka sa akin today. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Walang paramdam.
Check lang daw kung magkano yung sa Shopee. Hanggang ngayon wala. Gano'ng katagal yun?
We got the IRS, guys, but we got
Hindi nila kaya yung priority.
we got blank buttons. Are you serious right now, Honda?
Papost ko yan. Tingnan nyo, kukulit
I
na.
guess you want us to add new to
Bis na kaya kayo sa
On-
wedding
on
anniversary.
it. So unfair. We got the top model. Oh, we still don't have an automatic glove box. But on the new Civic, it's a hybrid. It's like a 1.5 liter hybrid. Somehow gets it when it's just a stupid freaking hybrid. What's wrong with you, Honda? You got a 2024 premium Honda. Aren't you just treating it like Like Civic is luxury, but
Nandito.
this CBRS is luxury. And watch this. Look, watch this. No automatic. Plus, it's a bit heavy. What's wrong with Honda?
Mama, kailangan mo receive mo.
Because it's hard, like, you know, if I...
Sabi na lang ni Mama yung price ha. Yung isang price ha.
Okay. But do I have fries?
Yes.
Okay.
Nuggets ka pa.
Okay. Food trip.
Oh, kailangan mo ito, Mama? May stress ka lang.
Ay, magkano pala yun kasi kakash ko yun sa sweldo?
Ito. 1,362.
Ako.
1,362.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Cheaper than a Tommy Cup Premium. I know they caught not the victim. Seeing victim from earlier. You guys snatching the money?
Kiss ko nga yung puti na yun.
Yung mga namamalimos ng bata.
Yeah, they're like sometimes.
Matutunaw.
Yung mga nabili, yung nagbebenta, okay pa yun.
Oo,
Pero yung
kasi
ganyan, ayoko niyan. Kalalakihan niyang ganyan ugali.
Yung mahihiya.
Ayoko niyan.
So delicious. Got the largest bag today.
Nakahawa mo ako na ito.
Why don't I just suck it?
Sa akin din yung drinks mo nalagay ko dito.
Mhm.
Ganda yung sticker ng Pepsi.
Okay na po.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Pama.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Gonna eat your fries na.
Thank you, Mama, for this too. Thank you.
Hot pa ka.
Happy yarn.
Sana ang chicken.
Hindi pa yung burger mo.
Okay.
Yung burger.
Mainit na mainit. Bagong luto siguro.
Ano yan? Anong ano yan? Black?
Black 18, black 20.
22-18. Sasabihin. Hindi pwedeng 18-22.
Black 18, black 22. 18,
1822 sounds like the year 1822. Tan 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 tan.
Kuha yung tono, di ba?
Parang alam, parang I know that sound.
Kaya silang nakikita. Yung car.
Yan yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Cute din.
Sa mga moving ano yun ah.
Classic
Uh-huh.
style.
Sako, oh. Sako guys. Mainit na mainit.
Favorite Chinese
Hindi
gene.
naman mainit.
Hindi, nipang ko kasi yun.
Oh Lord, I really rely on Chinese dumb vehicles.
Gusto ko lang yung
Like we used to like have
breakfast.
their G4s, Mitsubishis, Hondas, Isuzus. There's a daily dose of a Hyundai on the road. They randomly buy a random daily dose of a random Toyota Innova on the road.
Pagguhin nyo na para
And the
matapos
Fortuner.
na.
Yeah, the Innova Fortuner. I don't know, they're like popular models in India. One of my classmates live in India. Asked him if the Fortuner is popular there. Yeah, it is. Too much, including the Venza, but usually the most go-to vehicles here are like the Sportivo, this.
Ano yung kaisa ko yung regular?
No.
Yung regular yung nasa red na lagayan.
Hindi.
Yung nasa white.
Naka-face. Hindi yan.
Gerald Bergia.
Kasi ito, kaya ako pinang-medium na kasi tayo.
Going for 2007.
Ah, full ko?
TLT.
Lagi na ka buo.
Holy!
Sakto na may price si Papa sa mirror.
What?
Pagkagat ko, hindi na puputol. Tama ha?
Kasi your bungal, you forgot. You forgot your bungal.
Bungal.
Tama.
Hindi ka na-interpret. Chat ko po. Okay?
Yeah, I can just blow it naman. Oh.
Hawakan mo to. Dapat lalagyan.
Okay.
I'm happy to put it here. Wait lang.
Which one? Phone? Oh. Oh, holy.
Lagay mo, ipit mo dyan.
Holy moly. My neck pillow.
Ako.
Wait lang, wait lang. Ako ay.
Ay. Ay. Wait.
That's weird.
Sando ko para manipis. Butas-butas.
Hmm?
Sando ko para manipis. Tsaka butas-butas.
Ayun. Ito.
Pero mo nagdala electric fan.
Picture recording. Okay. Picture. Hapuan mo. Okay. See, by now it's like I'm into operating they're like cameras.
Sabi ko naman ng picture. Mobile sa mga.
May mga na-skip ka.
Nasip kasi ako yung merong araw na isa lang.
That's day one, Papa.
Di ba? Direct antibiotics.
Dapat dito ko na lang bumili. Mura.
Ay, tumatanggap ba sila? Ay,
Ayaw.
auto.
Thank you naman yung
Yun.
MG na thank you.
Ako.
F1822 po. Homeowner po. Hindi pa lang po namin napapractice sticker. Thank you po. Oh, kasi po weekend lang po kami available eh, kaso half day po, di ba? Oo po. Sige po, susubukan po namin. Thank you po. Ano ba kailangan ka dyan? Hindi ba pwede maglakad dyan?
Hindi po.
Hindi ba pwede bigay lang yung ano, or CR?
Pwede.
May lisensya.
Oo.
Subukan na. Ano mo sa mama mo?
Pwede naman kasi yung sa atin nun kay Dan, kaso hindi lang nakuha. Kasi nga nagkagulo.
Yung sticker natin na kay Dan?
Mm.
Ay, kukunin ko kay Dan.
Kasi di ko sure kung yearly ba yung nag-expire. Tanong ko mamaya. Or pang forever na yun.
Pili ko ng yearly. Kasi homeowner yun.
Ang galing. Naulo na ni Papa.
Hindi naman lilitaw. Ano nakaraan, nalito naman. Kasi naalala ko pag mag-exit tayo, isang labas lang kanan agad. So, yan, ito yung nag-record sa inyo, yung isang katabi.
No, yung katabi-katabi na.
Ito?
Opo.
Ito kasi yung natin yung kausap eh, di ba? Yung nasa una.
LGBTQ I+.
Yung bakla.
Hindi. Tomboy.
That's it, I'm bye.
Muni ko sa